Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel at Karog765, where classic legends come alive. If you love vintage wheels, the roar of old-school engines, and stories that shaped the golden age of automobiles, you're in the right place. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today we're taking you back in time to meet one of the most iconic trucks ever built, the 1956 Ford F-100. This truck isn't just a piece of machinery, it's a symbol of American strength, hard work, and timeless design. The 1956 Ford F-100 stands as a proud representative of Ford's golden era, a time when trucks were built tough, simple, and full of character. With its smooth curves, wide stance, and a front grille that commands respect, this beauty is more than transportation, it's attitude on wheels. When Ford introduced the F-100 in 1953, it was part of the legendary F-Series line that would go on to dominate the pickup world for decades. But the 1956 model year was something special. It was the only year in that generation that came with a wraparound windshield, giving the driver a broader, panoramic view of the road. That little design change made the truck look more modern and futuristic at the time, and it's still one of the most recognizable features of this model today. Under the hood, the 1956 Ford F-100 had power options that satisfied both the everyday worker and the speed enthusiast. You could get it with Ford's legendary Y-block V8 engine, the same heart that powered many of Ford's muscle cars of that era. With around 173 horsepower and a deep, throaty exhaust note, it wasn't just a workhorse, it was pure excitement on the open road. The manual 3-speed transmission gave drivers complete control, making it feel raw and connected, just like a true classic should. But what really sets the 1956 F-100 apart is its soul. This truck was born in an age when every curve and line was hand-shaped with passion. The wide chrome grille, the signature V8 emblem, and the beautifully sculpted hood all came together to create a truck that looked tough yet elegant. The bed of the truck was built for hard labor, yet it had style that made it a favorite among hot rodders and custom builders. In fact, even today, the 1956 F-100 is one of the most customized classic trucks in the world. You'll see it in shows, restored to perfection, painted in bold colors, and powered by modern engines, a true blend of past and present. Step inside the cabin, and you'll find simplicity that speaks volumes. A basic dashboard, big steering wheel, and analog gauges, no screens, no computers, no distractions. Just you, the road, and the sound of that powerful engine. The F-100 gives you a driving experience that's real, raw, and honest. It's not about speed, it's about connection. Owning a 1956 Ford F-100 today is like holding a piece of history. It reminds us of the time when things were built to last. When trucks were more than just vehicles, they were partners in everyday life. Farmers used them, builders trusted them, and families loved them. Every dent and scratch told a story, every mile added a memory. And that's what makes the 1956 Ford F-100 so special. It's not just a truck, it's a legend that carries the spirit of a generation that believed in hard work, pride, and craftsmanship. Whether you see it cruising down a modern highway or displayed at a vintage car show, it still turns heads, still wins hearts, and still reminds us what true automotive beauty looks like. So if you ever come across a 1956 Ford F-100, take a moment to appreciate it. You're not just looking at a classic, you're looking at history in motion. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe to Karog765 for more amazing stories about classic cars and trucks. Stay tuned, because the next legend is just around the corner.